Subscribe to my channel StickShiftStudios so you don't miss any Honda S2000 and C5 Corvette Z06 content. This is a point of view drive in my Honda S2000 on Highway 1 in Monterey. Enjoy the breathtaking views of Monterey's Highway 1. VTEC, yo! The rest of the video continues after this short slideshow. Thank you, Dad, for letting me drive my S2000 for this year's annual Monterey Car Week pilgrimage. I will never forget spending this week with you to the sound of VTEC echoing off the cliff walls in Big Sur, California. This is my second time driving on the iconic Highway 1. The first time was in my 2002 Corvette Z06 back in 2017. California State Route 1 is 656 miles in length. The drive from Monterey to Bixby Canyon Bridge is a quick 18 miles. Every year, petrolheads from across the globe travel to Monterey, California for its annual Car Week. As a car enthusiast, I'm extremely fortunate to live in California. 2019 was my fourth Monterey Car Week. This event really is world class if you're an automotive connoisseur like I am. Getting ready.
Yeah. They don't go very far.
I can see that. Getting their walkers out. This is Highway 1.
Get everything you need in a Corvette, though.
That's true.
Maybe the new one too, with 2 trunks. I think people are forgetting the nightmare is going to be to work on a mid-engine Corvette.
Maybe.
They're going to be shocked as hell when they find out they got to take the engine out to do anything. It's going to be fit in there like you want to be able to see anything. Traffic will diminish greatly after the Bixby Bridge, as far as the lookies.
Yeah.
It must be something to drive one of those old open cars down this road like this, putting along. Tourists. They're rent a car. Patrol. Interesting. I'm not letting you park here, or they're keeping it orderly.
Come on, fall off, dipshit. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my Highway 1 Monterey to Bixby Canyon Bridge Honda S2000 drive before the Monterey Car Week Tour de Elegance event. If you liked this video, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel StickShiftStudios for more automotive content. Have an awesome day and go out for a drive.